Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pujara, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I did this really extra over the top Diwali glam look. So most of my videos have the same concepts more or less, but I usually try to bring out different techniques in each video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the smoky eyeliner technique that I have used here. I have also applied lashes. This is the look that I have created for Diwali. I know Diwali won't be celebrated as usual like it always does because of the pandemic that we are in, but that doesn't mean that you can't get ready at home and make yourself feel good along with your family. I've just worn this beautiful sari, and again using the color combination of the sari I have created this eye look. So I knew for sure that I didn't want it to be completely matte, but at the same time I didn't want it to be extremely heavy. I really wanted it to be soft, but I really wanted to use the smoky technique. So just after a lot of thought, I added a little bit of shimmer, a beautiful glowing golden base. If you can see, there's like a lot of golden highlight going on. I added some lashes for the drama. I have a smoked out eyeliner that looks really nice if you do it correctly, and I have worn a dark lip after a long time. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching and let's begin with the video. So I've already done my base, and I will be leaving the link of it in the description box of how I do my base, and we can move on to the eyes. Using this palette by Cosmetics, I am going to start with the orange shade and apply it in my crease to add some warmth. This is my transition shade. I really wanted it to pop out because the border of my sari is red, but I did not want to use red because it will be too bright. Ahead to deepen my crease, I'm using this coffee brown shade, and I'm just going over the orange shade to add some depth to my eyes so that it doesn't look too in your face orange. Using the X's and O's palette by Colourpop, I'm using this burgundy shade, and I'm contouring the outer corner of my eye and blending it upwards into my transition. This will ensure some depth and some shadows onto my eyeshadow so that it won't look plain and bland. Repeating the same thing on the other eye, I'm just blending it all out, and this is what it looks like. To add some shimmer, I'm using this beautiful palette by Cosmetics Solar Flare, and I'm using this brown rose gold shade as my shimmer. I'm not going to apply too much of it, but just enough so that it covers 3/4 of my lid, and I'm just going to do my normal brow routine by using a powder brow filler. I'm just going to brush all of it out with a spoolie to make it soft and neat. Just repeating the same process on the other eye to make it look nice and even. Once my brows are done, the next step is to use some tape. I'm going to cut a piece and apply it from my lower waterline towards the end of my brow, and I'm going to draw a very rough line of eyeliner just above my lash line. It does not have to be neat, just a single line very close to my lash line, ensuring that there are no gaps. And using a dense brush, I'm just going to drag it outwards in short strokes. I am dragging it outwards onto the tape to ensure that there are no gaps left in the extreme outer corner. You just have to make sure that it looks really soft and there are no harsh lines. I'm doing the same thing on the other eye because I really want a soft eyeliner look rather than like a really harsh line. Using a powder brush, I'm just removing any sort of fallout to clean my base again. This is what my eyes look like. It gives a really nice soft eyeliner look rather than having a very sharp one. And using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Duo, I'm just contouring all the places of my face that I usually do. I will leave the link in the description box for this video. Because this look is so glam, I decided to go a little heavy on my blush. I'm using a matte blush by Ellen Tracy. It's a beautiful warm pink, and I'm applying it wherever I usually do. And also I decided to go heavy with my highlighter, and I'm just applying it on the usual places using a fluffy brush to ensure more product falls on the high points of my face. And instead of smoking out my lower lash line with black, I opted for the brown one. And I'm now using a really dark maroon wine shade lip liner by Primark Beauty, and I'm applying it all over my lips. Now for the lipstick, I'm using the lipstick by Colourpop in the shade Infinite Best. It's a very dark maroon burgundy wine shade. After applying it, I realized that it's really dark, so I went ahead and added some liquid lipstick by Colourpop in the shade Tulle to mellow it down a little. This look just reminds me of all the burgundy tones. It's like a soft glam with a bold lip. Now I'm just adding some mascara before I pop on to my lashes. Now I'm just putting on my lashes, which was a real struggle because it takes like a lot of time to put lashes on your other eye. That is, if you are a righty, then to put lashes on your left eye becomes very tedious. But anyway, it took me 15 minutes, but I've cut the process here, and this is what it looks like. So this is what the final look looks like from up close. It's really heavy. I don't usually go for false lashes because it's just not my style, but because it's Diwali, it's okay to be a little extra and go all in. So I have added some falsies. You can completely skip this step. I have also worn a really bold lip to go with the border and the pallu of my sari, which is also maroon in color. I have added some jhumkas to go with it and a beautiful red bindi. So this is the tutorial, and this is what my look looks like from up close. So that is it for today. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. You can also leave some suggestions of tutorials that you want to see from me in the comment section below. Any feedback is appreciated. Thank you so much for watching.